is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And this video we are focusing on a project that I was well over halfway done. And well, yeah, so I had found several mistakes on this scarf and I'm very sad, yes, that I am ripping out my knitted scarf that I had 3/4 of the way done. Now here is the new crocheted version of the scarf. Here we are. Well, what you might not know about me, but sometimes if I'm looking at a knitted pattern, I might go, let's see if I can do a crocheted version. So this is close to a crocheted version. I don't know if you can tell that I added like a textured element to that, like 2 rows of bumpies. So I do have a short tutorial on how I did this, so now let us go over and show you how I am making this scarf. Alright, to tell a little bit more how I am making the stitch. So I initially started with a chain of 34, and in the second chain from the loop we did a single crochet across for a total of 33 single crochets. And I don't know if you can tell, but I did work, because I got this nice edge, we worked in the back hump instead. So that's how you get this nice edge, is that you work in the back hump of the foundation chain. Alright, so now I'm going to show, it's a 4-row repeat, so I'm going to show you how to make the 4-row repeat. Okay, so right now we have, I know you're just going to have to put your pretend hat on, that we would have 34 chains. So I would, okay, so that would be the 34th chain. So pretty much we were doing second single crochets across for a total of 33, and if you were working in the foundation chain, you might want it to work in the back lump, in the back humps, but we had a chain, but if we were to do for continuously, our 4-row repeat is 2 rows of single crochet. So we're going to have 33 single crochets across. And we're all great. We are reaching the end of our row. We should have 33 single crochets. Chain 1, and just repeat what we just did. Another row of single crochets. Alright, now that we have finished 2 straight single crochet rows, we're going to do 2 rows to make our bumpies. I don't know, better term to put it, our bumpy stitches. Alright. For now, we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, we chained 1, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Actually, then we're going to do 1 more single crochet. So we're going to single crochet. That's the 4th one. Now we're going to do a double, treble, a treble? Yeah, a treble crochet. So we're going to do a treble crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Second treble crochet. So the treble crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. So actually we're going to repeat the single crochet trebles 6 times. This is our 3rd treble. And a single crochet in the next stitch. Another treble, that's our 4th treble. Single crochet in the next stitch. Here's our 5th treble crochet. Single crochet in the next stitch, and this is our 6th treble. So we do a single crochet in the next, actually 4. So 1, 3, 4. Do another treble crochet. Do a single crochet in the next stitch, and then we'll do another treble crochet. So there'll be another set of 6 trebles on this side. Our 3rd treble crochet, a single crochet in the next stitch. Here's our 4th treble crochet and a single crochet. We have our 5th treble crochet, single crochet in the next stitch, and fudge. Should have, actually we do have 3. Okay, never mind. I thought I was off. This is our 6th treble crochet and a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 1 and repeat that row one more time. Single crochet in the first 4 stitches, and then the 4th one will be the treble from the last round. Treble crochet in the next stitch. Oops. Single crochet in the next stitch, treble in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, treble in the next stitch, treble crochet, single crochet in the next stitch, treble crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, the next stitch, treble in the next, single crochet in the next stitch, and treble crochet in the next stitch, and that's our first group of 6. And that should be 6. And then we're going to single crochet in the next 4 stitches. In the next stitch we do a single crochet, treble crochet in the next stitch, we're going to do a single crochet in the next stitch and a treble in the next stitch, 4 total. That is for a group of 6 on this side, so that's our second one. Here's our third one, a single crochet and a treble crochet, single crochet, then a treble crochet, single crochet, then another treble crochet, single crochet, and then our last treble crochet, and then we should have 3 stitches left, and then we're going to do single crochet in the last 3. There we are. You repeat, and then we're back to 2 straight rows of single crochet, and then 2 rows of with the bumpies on it. Alright, that is it for this video. Just to let you know some upcoming videos that I know is coming up, because I am batch recording. I spent the weekend, probably more a Saturday, with my son. It is his birthday this next coming week, actually on Monday, and hope to have the video out on Monday. It'll be slightly different. I'm in Lincoln, Nebraska, and this weekend is brick days, or they're like Legos. So we went out, and I spent like an hour looking at all the different Lego displays that they got up, a bunch of the stuff up for sale, and I had a good time, except my ankle didn't have a good time, because if you'd seen my previous videos, you know I fractured my ankle. So yeah, my ankle was sore after spent probably only an hour and a half walking around looking at all the cool Lego type displays. So anyway, that is the end of this video. And oh, I forgot, there is one more video. I have a yarn haul video from 3 different sources, so that video will be coming out relatively soon also. So if you did like this video, and I hope you liked the tutorial, please give this video a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.